Hello everybody, this is Lazy Rider 56. Welcome back to the channel. This time I decided to do something a little different. I'm posting my very first ride with a GoPro. This was way back on May 14th, 2016 with my Hero4 Session. This is right after I bought it. And I filmed it with a helmet mount on the top of the helmet. So unfortunately, there gets to be a lot of whiplash whenever I move my head around. But I just thought this would be a fun thing to post and show a contrast. But I hope you enjoy it. Thanks again, like and subscribe, Lazy Rider 56.